Hi folks, hope you're doing fine. Got a wee ballad for you tonight. Edom O Gordon. It fell about the Martinmas time, when the winds blew shrill and cold. Cried Edom O Gordon to his men, we mun draw to some halt. What halt, cried his merry men, what halt shall we gang tae? It's to Towie's houses we mun ride, to see yon fair lady. She thought it was her ain dear lord, that she saw riding hame. But was the traitor Edom O Gordon, warwick nae sin or shame. Come down, Lady Campbell, he cried, and gie your house to me, or else this very night I'll swear, I'll burn ye and your bairnies three. I wanna come down, the lady cried, I wanna gie up to ye. I wanna forsake my ain dear lord, wha is sae far frae me. The lady frae the battlements, twa bullets she let flee, but she missed her mark wi' O Gordon, for she scarcely grazed his knee. Lady Campbell, O Gordon cried, that shot will cost ye dear, and he has cried for his ain jock, to bring the faggots near. I wanna come down, the lady cried, for laird nor yet for loon, nor yet for ony rank robber, that comes frae Auchindoun. Then up and spake her little wee son, sat on his nearest knee. Open the door and let me out, for the reek is choking me. I would gie all my land, she cried, my cellar and my fee, for ye blast o' the whistling wind, to blaw the reek frae me. Then out and spak her dochter dear, she was baith jimp and small. Row me in a pair of sheets, and throw me o'er the wa'. They rowed her in a pair of sheets, and threw her o'er the wa'. But on the point o' Gordon's sword, she's took a deadly fa'. Then Gordon turned her o'er, and oh, her face was white. I michta spare this bonny lass, to be some man's delight. Oh, pity on yon castle high, that was bigot wi' stane and lime, and wait till Lady Campbell hersel, for she's burnt wi' her bairnies 9. 3 o' them were married wives, and 3 o' them were bairns, and 3 o' them were leal maidens, that ne'er lay in young men's arms. Nice folks. Cheers, Charlie.